Alright folks, welcome back to the channel. This is the not so abandoned garage anymore, but stay tuned, we're gonna do a little cleanup. I guess while I'm moving some of this around, I'll narrate a little bit. But Dad was here this week, got a lot done. I'll show off some of that stuff just quick. But we got the carport where I'm walking to right now all blocked off up top so the critters will stop going up there and leaving walnut husks everywhere and pooping. Got some extra lumber from that we gotta find a place for in the garage. I just want to do a few more cleanup items, and honestly, we might be wrapping up this series because, to be fair, it's not really abandoned anymore. So we gotta stop calling it such. It's a beautiful, what may be 60 degrees today in Michigan. The birds are chirping, the squirrels are chattering. I already had to dispatch a red one this morning. I don't think YouTube will flag that. And we got one in the rat trap in the garage too. So there are critters around. If I haven't talked about that before. So we got the burn barrel set up there. I just wanted to say thank you guys for all the support lately. As always, you guys watching the videos, commenting in the comments, liking, all helps the channel grow. I love seeing it. I love seeing your guys' comments. I love hearing about your Magnas or, your shop or your hopes and dreams too. So just put them down below. I just want to hear from you guys. Start a conversation. So we're going to do a little more cleanup here. I think that's everything I really needed to get to the garage right now. Oh, I can grab these duders. I'll grab those sawhorses. So we're going to cut this clip here. And in a second we'll be in the garage and I'll be doing some organization. Just kind of the last little bits. We're not done, but I think it's time to move on from the abandoned garage to what may just be in the future garage updates, house updates. Or let me know what you want to see down below. I mean, I'll throw the 360 on the John Deere and show you guys mowing the lawn if you want. So, all right. Let's get to it. We got some extra wood. We got a few things that got pulled down from the carport area. Actually, I'll go show you that quick. We got just a little cleanup to do here. I'm going to do a quick oil change on the V-strom. I don't really think I'm going to show you guys that though. Clean the chain. That's it. So, garage, house. This is a carport. That's my car in the port. This is what Dad got done. I just helped out with this weekend. That used to all be open, just over this what was an addition on the house. So got that all buttoned up. So that's all blocked off now. The red squirrels won't get up there. Got a little more work back in this area to do. I don't even know what this area was used for, like as a kennel or something maybe. But there's kind of a hole up there, some critters we get into, and then these screens need to get reattached. So I'm going to be doing that soon. Dad already got the stuff for me. So eventually that shed's gonna come down. That's, you know, probably about it for big projects on the property right now, other than just getting it cleaned up. There's all kinds of just stuff that needs to get done now that we're back in spring. So that's the main gist of it. Gonna move some stuff around. Just generally kind of clean up because I've just been kind of leaving a mess lately. Let the day warm up a little bit. Might go for a quick ride this afternoon just to kind of test out the new V-strom parts. And it's looking like it's gonna be a nice day. So, but I don't know exactly when you're seeing this video, but hope you guys having a good weekend or a day or a week or year or whatever. And once again, thank you for your support. Thanks for liking and subscribing. This garage has come a long way now since I at least moved in. So we got a little more to do. It looks a little messy right now, but we'll get this cleaned up quick and it'll be looking pretty nice again. So I think those time-lapse thingies, we're gonna do that. Okay. Alright, some behind the scenes V-strom content. Just realized, like literally just now, that the mounting system for my sump guard is broken. It's missing the leg that goes out to that bolt. Get onto this side to show you a little better. So this guy is missing on the other side. As you see over here, it broke off. So I have to try to get one of those, but I just wanted to show you that quick. Just, it's not really a V-strom video, but I was doing an oil change and found that. So anyway, back to it. Well, welcome back. I mean, welcome. It's the next day. I don't know. Anyway, you saw me fixing all these eaves screens. Most of these ones over here just need to be repositioned, and I just put some staples in them. I capped off that section up there, put a little spray foam over the gap. Animal had gone in through there, so just capped that off so the hole is gone. But then all these now are good, as well as that side all looks good. I might check one more, but then this is what, once again, what Dad got done this week. I just helped out with a couple pieces. So let's see. Oh, I did an oil change yesterday. I think you saw part of that. I found my sump guard was broken on the V-strom. Doesn't really have to do anything with the garage, but anyway, I did the oil change and I went out for a ride. for a little while with that. Hence why it's turned around and still uncovered. Clean the chain. Clean the chain. Then when it got dirty. So, wood's moved. I put air in the tractor tires. I should fill it with gas and try to start it. So maybe we'll do that in a minute. I still need the sweep and reorganize this corner a little bit. Because I don't even know what half that stuff is. Yeah. So, honestly, probably gonna maybe do 1 or 2 more things and wrap up this video. So, might just throw gas on the tractor and see what happens, to be honest. And I'll clean up my mess over there. Yeah. So, thanks for being here once again. It's kind of a filler video. I think I'm gonna try to go out here in a little bit, maybe in a minute. Once I get done with a couple things I wanted to do, I might try to get some video with the strom just quick. I don't think I'm gonna do anything too crazy. So, I wanted to adjust a couple things at some point. But anyway, let's get back to it. I'm gonna see if I can fire up this lawn tractor. It's supposedly leaking gas from the tank slowly, which there's some evidence maybe of that. So I might just throw a little bit of gas in it and see if it fires up and just drive around the yard quick, make sure it feels okay, and go from there. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to really see, but it is leaking after I filled it up. So I'm gonna try a trick. I might need more air in my compressor though. It's I'm not holding it anymore. It worked. It worked. Stuffed the air hose in through the hose. Stuffed it down in the tank. You hold it on until you get the flow. You don't gotta suck in the end of a tube. Ha ha! Alright. Well, it's leaking. I got the gas out of it though, so that's at least nice. So that's gonna be a project. I'll have to look up. I'm guessing it might be easier to take the rear wheel off, and then I might be able to drop the gas tank without having to take apart the cover. But I don't know, maybe you got a better idea than me. Leave it in the comments down below. Ow. Yeah, I think we're gonna leave it there. That's gonna be the new project for the garage and or the property. I'm just gonna clean up that stuff that I left over there. And we're gonna call this a video. And I'm gonna clean up and then thinking about going out for just a little bit. It's a little windy. I don't know. But I don't feel like sitting around. So anyway, I'll stop rambling. Thanks for being here. Like, comment, subscribe. Magna Mole out.